In this video, let us see how to troubleshoot a scenario where files are being routed to incorrect trading partner location. In an outbound process, if there are multiple My Company components defined, process might be taking communication details from the default My Company component and place the file in that particular location. The cause of this behavior is the configuration of the communication setting in the trading partner component. When all defaults is being used, then process will be picking up the communication details from the default My Company component defined in the process and place the file in that particular location. The solution for this issue is to redesign the process in such a way to route the documents to the correct My Company component and trading partner component. If specific routing is required, avoid using My Company details in the trading partner component. In some scenarios, you can use set properties to define the sending partner and the receiving partner. Once the configuration is done, verify whether the headers and the communication details are being picked up from the correct component before sending the file. Here in this scenario, this is a small outbound process where trading partner is configured with two My Company components. One is My Company and Test My Company. In My Company, dummy ACK is a folder path defined, and Test My Company X12 test data is the folder path defined. In this process, Test My Company is the default My Company component defined. So in this process, I have used set property shape to define which sending partner to use while processing the file. So here I'm using My Company as a sending partner. When I ran the process, I observed that the directory that is being used is from the default My Company component instead of the sending partner that I have defined in the set property shape. So when the partner configuration is reviewed, it can be seen that it is configured to use all defaults. This is the reason why the process is taking the details from the default My Company component and placing the file in that location. So here to overcome that, I have used route shape to route the document based on the routing value. And in each path, I have added separate trading partner shape with individual My Company components. And once the document is routed, it will be using the correct communication details from the My Company component defined. Here, as the trading partner I'm using is common in both the paths, it will be using one license when I deploy this process. Hope this helps. Thank you.